Akenya ni mareganite na riendekithia ria kuongererwo kwa marihi ma thitima makiuga kwambatira gwa thogora wa thitima gugucungirira kurituha kwa ngarama ya muturire. Makiria kaunti ya Naikuru hindi ya kigomano gia kuruta mawoni kiria kihaririirio ni ruhonge rwa kuramata hinya wa kuhuthika EPRA. Akenya maugite thogora wa indo cia muthingi ta mutu na maguta itirahutika na thitima ciongererwo indo ici kugia goro mukiruku.
The Kenya Kwanza government is actually diverting from actually what it had promised of the campaigns. The president said that once he brings down the Bible at Kasarani, all the prices of unga, fuel, power will have gone down. So I'm very shocked that this government, which came up with a lot of promises, it actually cannot, now it want to push such tariffs.
Riu ni mendekithia EPRA iteanirie riendekithia riri nayo thirikari itikirie kugie na kambuni ingi cia gutambia thitima niguo kuhe Kenya Power shidani niguo onayo igacirithie motungata mayo kuri muingi.
KPLC need to compete, and I should think competition would be guaranteed if more independent power producers are allowed. Solar energy, renewable production of renewable sources of energy, more independent power producers, even on individual basis. If that is allowed, that will increase competition.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa EPRA Daniel Kipto augite ni megutigirira kambuni ya Kenya Power ndina gathika mathogora ma iguru niguo kurumbuia mabataro ma muingi.
So for us as the regulator, we are going around the country to collect views, allow Kenya Power to make its application to the Kenyan public, and with the comments and the views that we have received from the public at the end of this process, we will be able to retreat as the regulator, engage with other stakeholders such as the government, and eventually arrive at a tariff that will be applicable as required by law for a 3-year tariff control period from the year 2023 to the year 2027.
Handu-ini hake murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya Kenya Power Joyfrey Muli augite guthurimwo kwa marihi maya ni kindu kia muhaka no ni megutigirira a Kenya othe guothe bururi-ini ni makuruhanio.
The reason as to why we are going through this process is to ensure that we get a tariff that takes care of all the players in the sector, including the customers. Looking at all factors, you cannot look at one side. Required for distribution and retail and customer service, and we have meant this proposal to EPRA so that EPRA can subject it to other stakeholders, so that by the end of the day we can have a tariff that supports the sector to be sustainable, and also to ensure that customers are charged an amount which is reasonable.
Ruhonge rwa EPRA rurathiururuka guothe bururi-ini kuoya mawoni ma muingi mbere ya gukinyaniria mathogora meru ma thitima maria mekuhuthika kwambiriria tariki 1 mweri-ini wa kana mwaka uyu.
This is how the network has grown.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV itagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.